A man's heart is the source of his integrity, his values, and his compassion. It's in the quiet moments, in the choices made when no one is looking, that his true character is revealed. His heart carries his story, his struggles, and his triumphs. But it is his empathy, the capacity to feel deeply for others, that drives him forward with determination. It's in his care for others that he finds his power, not as a conqueror, but as someone who uplifts, supports, and inspires. When a man sets his eyes on her, it's not just admiration, it's a deeper understanding. His gaze isn't just drawn by beauty, but by the strength, resilience, and ambition she carries. Her presence becomes his inspiration, not a mere reflection of his desires, but a reminder of the qualities that he too must embody. In his eyes, he sees more than just someone to adore. He sees a mirror of his own potential and purpose. Confidence doesn't come from what others think of you. It arises from what you believe about yourself. When you look into your own soul and recognize your worth, you begin to lead. Leadership isn't just about leading others. It's about leading your own life with clarity, purpose, and conviction. But this journey is not without its challenges. We face obstacles, societal expectations, doubts, and fears. Yet these barriers are not walls, they are stepping stones. They exist to push us, to remind us that our potential is greater than the limitations placed on us. Do not let the world dictate who you are. Redefine the narrative. You are not confined by the roles others expect you to play. You are the author of your own story. As we look toward the future, remember this: purpose fuels ambition. It's the reason behind every decision, every struggle, and every triumph. When your heart beats in rhythm with your dreams and when your eyes see the path that lies ahead, there is nothing that can stop you. Walk with conviction, lead with love. Rise above the noise, and let the strength of your heart guide you toward greatness. Self-respect and inner strength are foundational pillars that guide us through life, shaping the way we perceive ourselves, interact with others, and navigate challenges. In a world that often demands conformity and places external expectations on us, the ability to cultivate and protect our self-respect while developing inner strength is not just empowering, it is essential. These qualities are the bedrock of emotional resilience, and they allow us to stand firm in our beliefs, maintain our values, and continue our journey despite adversity. Self-respect is an internal compass. It originates from our understanding of our worth and our ability to honor ourselves in all circumstances. Often, people tend to seek validation from the external world, hoping for acknowledgement, acceptance, or approval. While these external affirmations can feel validating in the short term, they do not build lasting self-respect. True self-respect is internal. It is the unwavering belief that you are worthy of respect, irrespective of other people's views or judgments. This internal respect begins with the relationship we have with ourselves. It is about showing up authentically, living in alignment with our values, and treating ourselves with care, love, and dignity. When we respect ourselves, we take responsibility for our actions and decisions. We acknowledge our flaws and weaknesses, but we do not allow them to define us. Instead, we strive to learn, grow, and improve. Self-respect allows us to reject harmful behavior from others and sets the boundaries necessary for us to live a life of dignity. When we lack self-respect, we might tolerate mistreatment or engage in self-destructive patterns, thinking we are not worthy of anything better. But when we cultivate self-respect, we no longer settle for less than what we deserve. Inner strength, on the other hand, is the resilient power that allows us to persevere, even when the world seems to be crumbling around us. It is not the absence of fear or doubt, but the ability to face them head-on and keep moving forward. Inner strength emerges from self-awareness, the deep understanding that we possess the capacity to endure hardships, overcome obstacles, and grow stronger in the process. It is about maintaining our sense of purpose, even when we are faced with setbacks and failures. To develop inner strength, we must first accept that life will not always be smooth. Challenges are inevitable, and difficulties will come in various forms: personal loss, rejection, failure, or unexpected changes. However, it is not the challenges themselves that define us, but how we choose to respond to them. Inner strength is about choosing resilience over defeat, hope over despair, and action over passivity. It is about building emotional endurance that allows us to stay calm and composed even when things are falling apart. A key aspect of inner strength is the ability to trust ourselves. This trust doesn't mean we have all the answers or that we won't make mistakes. It means we trust ourselves enough to keep trying. We understand that failure is not a reflection of our worth, but an opportunity to learn and grow. By fostering a positive internal dialogue, we can build mental and emotional toughness. We must become our own strongest supporters, reminding ourselves that we have the inner resources to face challenges and the strength to overcome them. Inner strength is also about cultivating patience. Often, we expect instant results or fast solutions to our problems. But true strength lies in the ability to stay calm during difficult times, to trust that things will get better, and to remain consistent in our efforts even when the progress is slow. Patience enables us to see beyond the immediate moment and recognize that setbacks are often just temporary detours on our path to greater success. It is the understanding that, with time, we will come to appreciate how much we've grown through our struggles. Another critical component of inner strength is adaptability. Life is unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. People change, circumstances shift, and the world around us may not always align with our expectations. However, inner strength allows us to adjust our approach without losing sight of our ultimate goals. It is about bending without breaking, learning to flow with the changes rather than resist them. Adaptability is a crucial skill in building resilience because it teaches us how to manage uncertainty with confidence, knowing that we can thrive regardless of what life throws our way. Furthermore, self-respect and inner strength are intimately connected. One nurtures the other. The more we respect ourselves, the more we are likely to believe in our own strength. In turn, the stronger we become, the more we are able to uphold our self-respect in the face of challenges. Together, these qualities create an unshakable foundation upon which we can build a meaningful and empowered life. When we have self-respect, we become better at taking care of ourselves, physically, emotionally, and mentally. This means prioritizing our well-being, making decisions that are in our best interest, and not allowing others to undermine our sense of self-worth. Inner strength supports this by enabling us to stay true to our convictions, even when it feels easier to conform or give up. It is a dynamic, ongoing process of internal growth that strengthens our ability to protect and defend our dignity. In the end, self-respect and inner strength are the qualities that allow us to remain anchored when everything around us seems uncertain. They empower us to face life's most challenging moments with courage, conviction, and grace. They remind us that, no matter what we face, we have within us the power to rise, to continue forward, and to create the life we deserve. Empathy and compassion are two of the most powerful forces that can shape our lives and the lives of others. They are the threads that bind us together, weaving a sense of understanding and care that transcends the surface-level interactions that often dominate our world. At their core, empathy and compassion are not just about understanding others' pain, but also about taking action to alleviate that pain. They are rooted in the recognition that we are all connected, that each person's story is important, and that we all share in the human experience. Empathy is the ability to step into another person's shoes, to feel what they feel, and to experience their world from their perspective. It is about opening our hearts and minds to the struggles and triumphs of others without judgment. When we empathize with someone, we acknowledge their emotions, their fears, and their joys. We move beyond just hearing their words to truly understanding their feelings. This emotional resonance allows us to connect in a way that goes beyond surface-level interactions, creating deeper and more meaningful relationships. Empathy enables us to see beyond our own experiences, to recognize that every individual is fighting their own battles, often invisible to the outside world. While empathy allows us to feel what others feel, compassion takes this understanding one step further. Compassion is the desire to act, to do something about the suffering we witness in others. It's not enough to just feel for someone. Compassion compels us to help, to offer support, or to create positive change in their lives. It is a natural extension of empathy. It's the action that follows the recognition of someone else's pain or need. Compassion transforms empathy from a passive feeling into a proactive force, driving us to make a difference in the lives of others. The power of empathy and compassion cannot be overstated. In a world where many people struggle with isolation, loneliness, and emotional pain, these qualities become essential in building strong, supportive communities. Empathy helps us create a sense of belonging as it fosters understanding and breaks down barriers between individuals. Compassion helps us alleviate suffering, whether it's through a simple act of kindness, a listening ear, or offering resources to someone in need. When we act with compassion, we not only improve the lives of others, but also enhance our own well being. Helping others has been shown to increase feelings of happiness, satisfaction, and fulfillment in those who practice compassion. Empathy and compassion also play a crucial role in personal growth and emotional intelligence. By practicing empathy, we learn to develop a deeper understanding of our own emotions and reactions. We become more aware of how our actions affect others and how others' actions influence us. This awareness allows us to respond with greater emotional maturity and to navigate relationships with kindness and understanding. It is through empathy that we learn to be better friends, partners, and colleagues. We learn to listen more attentively, to offer support without judgment, and to validate the feelings of those around us. Moreover, empathy and compassion are key in addressing social issues and fostering social justice. In a world that is often divided by differences in race, class, gender, and culture, empathy allows us to see beyond these divisions and to connect with others on a deeper level. It helps us recognize that everyone's struggles are valid, regardless of their background or circumstances. Then moves us to take action to address inequality, to fight for justice, and to support those who are marginalized. It compels us to create a world where everyone's voice is heard and where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. In addition to their impact on others, empathy and compassion are powerful tools for self-healing and personal transformation. When we practice empathy, we learn to extend the same kindness and understanding to ourselves. We recognize our own pain and struggles, and we give ourselves permission to feel and heal. By cultivating compassion for ourselves, we create a nurturing space where growth and self-acceptance can flourish. This self-compassion is critical for building resilience, as it allows us to forgive ourselves for past mistakes and to move forward with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. Empathy and compassion also offer a way to break free from negative emotions like anger, resentment, and bitterness. These emotions often arise from misunderstandings, judgments, or unmet needs. When we choose to empathize with others, we challenge these negative reactions. We begin to see the world through a different lens, one that recognizes the inherent humanity in everyone, even those who may have hurt us. Compassion, in turn, frees us from the burden of holding on to grudges. It enables us to let go of the past and to move forward with an open heart, understanding that everyone, including ourselves, is deserving of love, care, and second chances. The beauty of empathy and compassion lies in their ability to create ripple effects. One act of kindness, one moment of understanding, can set off a chain reaction that transforms not only the person we help, but also those who witness or hear about our actions. This ripple effect extends beyond the individual, influencing families, communities, and even societies. It teaches us that small acts of compassion, when multiplied, can create significant change. In a world that often feels fractured, these small acts of kindness can serve as reminders that love, understanding, and empathy still exist. As we build these qualities into our lives, we begin to see the interconnectedness of all people. When we respect others, when we understand their struggles, and when we help alleviate their pain, we contribute to a world that is more compassionate, more connected, and more just. The key to achieving this lies in the simple act of acknowledging another's humanity and treating them with the dignity they deserve. When we practice empathy, we see the world through the eyes of others, and this recognition allows us to build a future that is driven not by division, but by the shared experience of compassion. Empathy and compassion are not just abstract concepts, they are powerful tools that transform lives, starting with the simple yet profound act of caring for another. Confidence and leadership are two qualities that are often closely intertwined, each fueling the other in a dynamic cycle of growth and achievement. Confidence is the foundation upon which effective leadership is built. A leader without confidence can struggle to inspire trust, take decisive action, or guide others through times of uncertainty. On the other hand, a confident leader is someone who understands their abilities, acknowledges their limitations, and leads by example. They inspire others to step forward, take risks, and push boundaries, But this journey toward confidence and leadership isn't always straightforward. It's shaped by self-awareness, resilience, and the ability to navigate through challenges while maintaining a clear vision. Confidence begins with self-belief. It's about having an inner assurance that, regardless of the circumstances, you possess the skills, resources, and determination to overcome obstacles. It is not the absence of doubt or fear, but the ability to move forward in spite of them. Confidence allows us to take risks, make decisions, and trust in the outcomes of those decisions. It is the belief that failure is not a permanent state, but a learning experience, a necessary part of growth that can guide us to even greater success. When we are confident in ourselves, we become willing to venture beyond our comfort zones, knowing that we have the strength to face whatever comes our way. But confidence alone is not enough to lead effectively. It must be paired with a sense of purpose and clarity. A leader must understand not just where they are going, but why they are going there. Leadership is not about authority or control, but about guiding others toward a shared goal. It's about inspiring those around you to believe in that goal, to see the vision clearly, and to work together as a team to achieve it. A confident leader knows how to communicate their vision, align it with the values of those they lead, and encourage collaboration toward common objectives. They have the ability to articulate a sense of purpose that ignites passion and commitment in others. True leadership requires vulnerability. The most effective leaders are not those who claim to have all the answers or who hide their insecurities behind a mask of perfection. Instead, they are those who are open about their struggles, who acknowledge their mistakes, and who use those experiences as stepping stones toward improvement. Vulnerability in leadership fosters trust. When people see that their leader is willing to be authentic and transparent, they feel more connected and more inclined to follow. This kind of leadership encourages others to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them, knowing that their leader is not just a figurehead, but a real person who shares in the journey of growth. In addition to self-awareness, confidence and leadership also require the ability to inspire and empower others. A leader's role is not just to direct, but to uplift, to help others recognize their potential and support them in realizing it. The most impactful leaders are those who see the strengths in others before they do and who actively help others develop their skills. Confidence in leadership is not just about personal success, but about the collective success of the team. Leaders who empower others create an environment where each individual feels valued and capable. They foster a culture of collaboration where everyone contributes their unique talents to the overall vision. When people feel supported and recognized, they are more motivated, more productive, and more committed to the mission at hand. Leadership also involves the ability to make tough decisions, often in the face of uncertainty. Confidence is critical in these moments, as a leader must trust their judgment and remain steady even when the path forward is unclear. This confidence enables them to take decisive action, to make difficult choices, and to stand firm in those decisions, even when others may question them. A leader with strong confidence doesn't need to have all the answers, but they must have the courage to make decisions based on the information available and the wisdom they've gained. They trust that, even if things don't go as planned, they will learn and adjust along the way. At the same time, confidence in leadership must be tempered by humility. A great leader knows that they do not have all the answers, and they are willing to listen to others. They seek feedback, encourage open communication, and value the perspectives of those around them. Humility allows a leader to grow, to evolve, and to continuously improve. It also helps a leader to build stronger, more trusting relationships with their team, as people are more likely to follow a leader who listens to them, values their input, and admits when they are wrong. Leadership is not about asserting dominance. It's about collaboration, empathy, and creating an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Confidence and leadership are also closely tied to resilience. Life is filled with setbacks, disappointments, and challenges that can shake even the most confident leaders. However, resilience allows leaders to bounce back from adversity, to learn from their experiences, and to continue pushing forward toward their vision. Resilience is about having the mental toughness to stay the course, even when the road is long and difficult. A resilient leader encourages others to do the same, showing them that challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth. It is through resilience that leaders demonstrate their strength, their ability to remain focused on the long term goal, and their commitment to the people they lead. Confidence in leadership also inspires a sense of accountability. When leaders take responsibility for their actions and the outcomes of their decisions, it sets a powerful example for others to follow. Leaders who own their successes and their failures encourage a culture of accountability within their teams. They inspire those around them to take responsibility for their roles, to learn from their mistakes, and to continuously strive for improvement. Confidence in leadership is not about pointing fingers or shifting blame. It's about owning one's decisions and actions and using them as opportunities to grow and evolve. Ultimately, the most effective leaders are those who combine confidence with compassion, vision with humility, and decisiveness with resilience. They inspire others not just through words, but through actions that demonstrate their commitment to the shared goal. A confident leader leads with purpose, empowers others, and takes responsibility for their actions. It is through this balance of confidence and humility, strength and vulnerability, that true leadership is forged. Leaders who embody these qualities can navigate any challenge and inspire others to rise above obstacles with them, knowing that they are not just following a leader, they are walking alongside a mentor, a guide, and a fellow human being. Self-awareness and reflection are critical elements in personal growth and emotional maturity. These two qualities allow us to better understand ourselves, our motivations, and our reactions, ultimately guiding us toward more intentional and meaningful lives. Self-awareness involves being in tune with our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and the way we interact with others. It is the ability to step back and observe ourselves without judgment, recognizing our strengths and weaknesses. Reflection, on the other hand, is the process of analyzing our experiences, decisions, and actions to learn from them and improve in the future. Both self-awareness and reflection provide the foundation for personal development, enabling us to make more thoughtful choices and align our actions with our values. At the core of self-awareness is the ability to recognize how our thoughts and emotions shape our behavior. Often we react to situations without fully understanding the underlying causes of our reactions. These responses can be influenced by past experiences, societal conditioning, or unconscious biases. When we are not self-aware, we may find ourselves repeating negative patterns, making decisions that do not align with our true desires or values, and failing to recognize the impact of our actions on others. Self-awareness breaks this cycle by allowing us to pause and reflect on our thoughts and emotions before we react. It helps us understand why we feel a certain way and what drives our actions, which empowers us to make more conscious decisions. Self-awareness also allows us to develop a deeper understanding of our strengths and weaknesses. When we are aware of what we excel at, we can leverage those strengths to navigate challenges and achieve our goals. At the same time, recognizing our weaknesses gives us the opportunity to work on them, to grow, and to seek help when necessary. Self-awareness does not mean being critical of ourselves, but rather being honest about who we are and where we need improvement. Self-awareness allows us to recognize the positive aspects of our lives, even in the midst of difficulty, and to approach challenges with a sense of gratitude for the opportunity to grow. Reflection helps us celebrate our achievements, no matter how small, and gives us the perspective we need to recognize our worth and potential. Ultimately, self-awareness and reflection are tools that enable us to live more intentional, fulfilling lives. They help us become the best versions of ourselves by allowing us to understand who we are, what we want, and how we can contribute to the world around us. Through self-awareness, we develop the clarity to make decisions that align with our values and goals. Through reflection, we gain the wisdom to learn from our experiences and make continuous improvements. Together, these practices empower us to navigate life with purpose, authenticity, and resilience. When we embrace the power of self-awareness and reflection, we unlock our potential to create meaningful, impactful lives that reflect our true selves. Breaking stereotypes and overcoming challenges is a crucial aspect of personal growth and societal progress. Stereotypes are often deeply ingrained in cultures, societies, and even our individual minds. They are the oversimplified and generalized beliefs about groups of people based on their race, gender, religion, socioeconomic status, or other identifiers. These stereotypes are often harmful as they limit our ability to see people for who they truly are, reducing them to one-dimensional representations based on assumptions rather than understanding. Overcoming these stereotypes is not just about challenging the status quo, but about expanding our capacity for empathy, learning, and growth. It's about recognizing that the experiences of individuals cannot be understood through generalizations, but through listening to their unique stories. To break free from stereotypes, we must first acknowledge them. This requires self-awareness and the ability to critically examine our own thoughts and biases. Many of the stereotypes we hold are unconscious, shaped by the media, society, and our upbringing. These biases influence the way we perceive others, often without us even realizing it. The first step in overcoming these stereotypes is to become aware of them, to recognize when we are making assumptions based on these generalized beliefs, and to challenge those assumptions. It's easy to fall into the trap of seeing people through the lens of stereotypes because it simplifies the complexity of human beings. However, this simplification leads to prejudice, discrimination, and missed opportunities for genuine connection. Once we become aware of our biases, we need to take action to dismantle them. This means stepping out of our comfort zones and engaging with people and ideas that challenge our preconceived notions. It means seeking out diverse perspectives, listening to people's stories, and understanding their experiences. Stereotypes thrive on ignorance and fear, but when we open ourselves up to learning about others, we begin to see the richness and diversity of the world. By engaging with people from different backgrounds, we not only break down stereotypes, but also expand our own worldview. This process is not always easy. It requires vulnerability, openness, and a willingness to confront our own limitations. Overcoming challenges in the face of stereotypes also involves resilience. Many individuals who face stereotypes have to navigate a world that constantly tries to reduce them to a single narrative. Whether it's a woman in a male-dominated profession, a person of color in a predominantly white society, or someone with a disability in a world that often marginalizes them, challenges are part of the daily experience for many. These individuals must continually prove themselves, challenge others' perceptions, and push back against the limitations imposed by stereotypes. Resilience becomes a key factor in this process as it allows individuals to persevere despite the external pressures that try to define them. Resilience, however, is not just about enduring. It is also about thriving in the face of... The process of breaking stereotypes and overcoming challenges is not without its difficulties, but it is one of the most rewarding journeys one can take. As we break through the limiting beliefs that others may hold about us, we not only empower ourselves but also contribute to a more inclusive and understanding world. The more we challenge stereotypes, the more we create space for others to do the same. It is through this process of self-empowerment and collective action that we can build a society where everyone is free to define their own identity and reach their full potential. Purpose and ambition are deeply interconnected forces that shape our lives and guide us toward meaningful achievements. While ambition fuels our drive to achieve, purpose gives that drive direction and meaning. The absence of purpose can often leave ambition feeling aimless, while without ambition, purpose may remain unfulfilled, locked in the realm of intention without action. Together, these elements form the foundation of personal growth, fulfillment, and success. Understanding the intricate relationship between purpose and ambition allows us to navigate the challenges of life with greater clarity, resilience, and focus. It empowers us to take meaningful steps toward our goals while maintaining a sense of deeper meaning in everything we do. Purpose is the compass that gives our lives direction. It is the underlying reason behind our actions, the force that moves us forward even when obstacles arise. Having a clear sense of purpose helps us understand why we do what we do and ensures that our efforts are aligned with our values and long-term aspirations. It is the guiding light that illuminates the path we wish to take, even in the face of uncertainty. A strong sense of purpose provides us with the clarity needed to make decisions that are consistent with our deeper values. It connects us to something greater than ourselves, creating a sense of fulfillment that transcends material success. When our actions are driven by purpose, we feel a deep sense of satisfaction because we know that what we are doing matters and contributes to something bigger than us.